Yo, what's up, everybody? It's Clutch Trades here. Um, I'm going to be doing a little trade recap on the Meta 500% play that we caught on Friday. It's one of my biggest plays just yet, since joining the team and doing a live trading session is probably my best trade I've had in a while, 500%. So I'm gonna break it down for you guys. First of all, we go to the pre-market, correct? So I marked the pre-market high, which was up here, and the pre-market low, which was down here. Cool. So that's one of the strategies I use called the orb open range breakout. You know, a lot of times this strategy, is successful. Uh, I would say like 90% of the time. As you can see, we break above pre-market high right here, but we reject it. But during these hours, I'm not trading. I'm not trading during these hours. I'm waiting for the Jackson Hole Fed meeting with Jerome Powell to be over. I'm being patient. But once the meeting ended, it was like 9:30 or something. Um, I saw I saw Meta broke below the pre-market low, and it was on this candle that we got in. This candle right here, I saw we're critical level of 285. So as soon as I saw this candle break down with rising volume, I decided to hop in, going light. And it's Friday zero DT. Those move quick. So I got in a little like position of 10 contracts. And what I did is, it closed below the pre-market low. So what I did, I got in on a retest because I knew the meeting was over. It was over. At this point, the market, started getting sentiment of what it wanted to do for the day, and it seemed weak. So what I did, I thought it was going to be a quick trade. I got in on the retest. Let me see how dry for you. Retest right here. I had a small stop loss right above it or above VWAP. Probably if it closed above the 285 on the pre-market low, I would have stopped out just because of zero DTEs. That would probably been like a 15% loss. But, you know, I saw good volume coming in, and my take profit was the wick off this candle right here. I had a trim target right here. I trimmed about 75% of my position. So I had about three contracts left. And, 285 was a key level. Uh, I'll show you guys. Yeah, you see 285 right here. It's a key level. We rejected. And, once we broke above, we've been kind of getting close to it, bouncing off of it. And I can see right here too. It looks like a neckline right here. Seems like a neckline. And it was more of a quick scalp for me. Um, I just know 285 was a key major level, and small risk, big reward. That was my price target. I think it was like 30% around here. After that, I held some runners. Next target, I had a 282.5 strike price. So that strike price was like targets for me. And then after that, I had one runner left. And literally that what that one runner did, it literally just ran all the way down to the next demand zone in the 275, 276.50 area. And I saw 500%, and I was like, I saw it getting close to demand. It was getting later on the day. It was already like 10:30. So I decided to exit. I took my 500%, and I went on with my day. And I made the little smiley face for the people who got it on live. That was a crazy morning though, but I look forward for this week and let's see what the stock market brings us this week. And, good trading, guys. I'll see you guys.